This scene of utter devastation shows the work of the red-headed woodpecker. The damage caused by this destructive bird cost the utility companies millions of dollars yearly. But there is hope, for at this very moment, the famous Professor Grossenfieber is busy at work on a plan to eradicate the woodpecker menace. Professor Grossenfieber?
Oh, hello there.
Professor, could you show us your new secret invention?
Well, I could show you if you don't tell no woodpeckers. You see, when dumb woodpecker sees the sign welcome, free lunch, he will enter the trap. I have to laugh when I think how dumb is the woodpecker. You see, attached to the gooseberry pie is 500-pound weight. When the dumb woodpecker eats the gooseberry pie, a 500-pound weight will come down and knock him. Looks good. Smells good, too.
Hello there. You looking for me? Nice place you got here.
I showed the dumb woodpecker. Oh, boy. Now I get him, you bet. Nice gooseberry pie. Hello there. You want some gooseberry pie?
No, you do.
Have a nice piece of pie.
More pie.
Eat your pie.
More pie.
This time I fix him, that dumb woodpecker. Hey, you want your picture taken?
Me? Oh, yes.
Dumb woodpecker.
This is my good side. Shoot.
Don't worry, I shoot. Smile.
I'm smiling. I'll take a dozen, Professor.
When the dumb woodpecker opens the door, pow, a knock on the noggin. Yoo-hoo, woodpecker, come get some nice gooseberry pie. Yoo-hoo. Smart aleck, woodpecker.
Come in.
I wonder where he could have went. That dumb woodpecker. That's good cigar. I wonder what kind is it? Exploding cigar? That dumb woodpecker. I show him this time who is more smarter than he is. That's good. I can hardly wait to fool that dumb woodpecker.
Pardon me, baby doll. Didn't we meet in an oak tree in Oklahoma? Or was it in a pine tree in Pennsylvania?
Dumb woodpecker is falling for the trap.
Ladies first, sugar.
I got him! I got him!
I've been tricked. Why, that kooky professor. Now I'll show him a couple of tricks.
At last I have smashed the woodpecker trouble. Now I will celebrate. Come, my little Fraulein, we dance.
little kissing.
Well, if you can't beat them, join them.